Boom.
Okay, what's up?
Okay.
What's up, guys? So I just started. You're in Mock Draft, 12 team,
Bro,
9
my
cat. Okay, what's up? So I'm with Lawrence right now. Um, I'm number 10 pick, and he's number 9. Projected to pick Lamelo Ball. I got Lamelo Ball last season, and he helped me carry my team to win. He's my second overall pick last year. Surprisingly, he becomes a first round player. So let's see what we can do. Not sure if I'm really really want to draft Lamelo Ball, but oh, let's see. Um, okay. Looking forward to drafting Giannis Antetokounmpo, but if not, let's go with Lamelo Ball, and then for we're 14th pick. Let's see. All around guards. Jamarant. I mean, I can pair him with Jamarant if I want to. 3 points maybe, but it's not really. Or we can pair him with this guy, Damon Lillard. And then we're getting our bigs after. We're getting. Or are we getting our bigs later after our third pick? Because I'm looking at Anthony Edwards as our third round pick.
LeBron James.
Oh, we picked
LeBron James.
LeBron James. Okay. Trying to build around LeBron James. Oh. Let's see. Pointing. Okay, let's go with Lamelo Ball. Lamelo. Hey, Lamelo Ball. Think this is. I think this is a huge risk if I don't pick this guy. Yeah, let's go with Dame Time Dollar. Let's go. What time is it?
Hey,
Dame Time who? Let's go.
I need bigs. I need bigs.
You need bigs. It's a lot of
Yeah,
bigs.
yeah.
Okay.
Not a lot of good bigs. That's how I have to say. Shh.
It depends what bigs do you need.
Yeah. One right here.
Yeah, I think I'm getting my bigs like around round fourth round with this.
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty good. I think my picks looking good. Looking good. I'm getting my guards early and bigs later. Let's see if I can duplicate this. Hopefully, like Damian Lillard, have a good team, so you don't need to sit out games. And I think this is a revenge season for him, or comeback season for Damian Lillard. I pick him on one of my one of my team last year because I have four teams. Oh no, four. It's five actually, five. And he got injured, but I still end up winning my team because I have who's on my team. I forgot who's on my team. I think I have Zach Levine on my team as I forgot who's on my team, but I end up winning. So hopefully,
What? Okay, okay, okay,
so you
okay.
okay. So how? What's your plan? With your build, Lawrence.
Well, I got LeBron James, and his free throw is pretty solid. His points are pretty solid. So I'm going for points, free throw, and rebound and assist.
Okay, okay, pretty good.
So yeah. Also his field goal is actually not that bad.
No way, yo! They picked Anthony Edwards. Oh, that's my pick. It's sad. Okay, okay. Because they did that. I need to change. Garland is out as well. One
Oh,
more.
there's the
I mean,
other big
to be honest,
DeAndre.
DeMar DeRozan is a good combination with LeBron James. They have points. Field goal is high for a wing. Yes, rebound and assists and points, but no threes. But if you want to get big, it's up to you.
Can I get a better? Nah, I have to get.
Okay,
There's not gonna be. Hmm.
okay. Oh, wow,
If
wow. Zach
if you
Levine
don't,
there. If I don't get bigs here,
yeah,
I will not get any bigs after. So I'm looking at Kate Cunningham at as my next pick, but
there's Jared Allen.
no way, man. I can't pass about Kate Cunningham. He's my Lamelo. Last year, I got Lamelo, second year player, and he carried me. He's my MVP last year, one of my team. And I feel like Kate Cunningham is the same thing. He will do the same for me.
Pascal. Pascal.
CC. Okay.
Wow.
Next picks. I need to get my bigs now. I have four guards. I mean, I have shooting a small forward wing slash wing. Because my wings are coming later the draft around 10 to down, so I need to get my bigs. No way, they got Miles Turner early. Wow, cool, cool.
Oh. Wow, my team is front heavy.
My, uh, yeah, my team is like all wings and guards. I haven't drafted any big man. Yes, Krista Porzingis. Oh no, they took Evan Mobley.
Right?
Wow. Oh, let me check something here.
Cool. Yeah, Jared Allen is still there.
Yes, he's still there. No, my
Jared,
all my oh yeah, start getting all the bigs. It's hard.
yeah,
It's hard to get bigs now.
yeah.
I can't get. I want to get Jared. Yep, they picked Jared Allen.
Yeah.
Miles.
Yusuf and Jonas. Those are. Yeah.
Let me call. Not Miles. Supposed to pick Miles Turner, who's been locked up. Oh no! No way! My team is pretty heavy in other
Uh,
areas. Okay.
okay. Okay. Desmond Bain. Boom. I need to get some boards now.
I got Desmond Bay. Nice pick.
We need.
Michael Porter. That's my first big man. Mr. Big Man. Mr. Big Man. Oh, Mr. Big Man. Uh, so the looks. Uh, okay, let's draft this guy. So I have pretty much good, good team. Yep, pretty much what I'm expecting.
Okay, okay. This. Okay, okay. Uh, I need a guard.
I have too many guards. Too many guards. After my pick leader. Oh no, I can't pick this guy. Oh, this guy. Picking Nicole. Colin.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I think they're picking my guy. No way. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Better to do this. Come on, man. Give me my pick. Okay. Carl had been drafted. Jordan Poole. Okay, who's my option?
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, I need to draft my boy. Oh, it's my turn. Oh, that's fast. Mm-mm. Oh wow. If if this guy's available, I might pick him. Brook Lopez, solid big man.
Mm. Mm.
I'm going for all wings now.
Mm.
Oh, di ba yan, Mr. Big Man? Oh my. Pretty much all my players are big. Oh, oh, is he still available?
Uh, well, mm, mm. Uh,
3 points made. I'll go for it. Okay. I'm set. I got my players coming to save me. Yep, looking strong right here. It's only Lawrence. Says steals, blocks,
Oh,
turnovers, free throw percentage, field goal, points made. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Mr. Big Man, Mr. Big Man. Yep, I think my team is all set. Just need to start picking these two guys.
uh,
Are you lost, Mr. Big Man?
bro, bruh.
Banana. No, we picked. Who picked that? Oh, Devin Vassell. Someone picked Devin Vassell. My gulay. Mr. Herb Jones. And because of that, present you, Mr. Shot Chucker. I'm thinking about drafting my last. Mr. Big Man. Mr. Big Man. Or Mr. Big Man. Oh wow. What a close game, Lawrence. Close game. We have too many point guards if I choose that. I guess I'm focusing on scoring. Rashawn Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. No one's picking this guy. Or this guy.
Okay. Oh, last pick.
Of course, you
Let's
know my
see.
last pick, bro. Mr. Big Man, number one. Baby, I'm number one. Baby, I'm number one. See, you can't stop me. Mr. Big Man, that's how you build around the Melo Ball. Let's go, baby. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my players. Who's this guy? Rashawn. Shut up, Rashawn. I'm the best. Okay, look. This is how you build Lamelo. First pick, Lamelo Ball, of course. Number two pick, my boy, Damian Lillard. Damian Lillard. Okay, and then my third pick, we have Zach Lavine. And what's my fourth pick? Where are you at? Cade Cunningham. So I get all wings and guards. Oh, yeah, wings and guards. And then, what's my 67? Oh, there you go. 67. I get my first big man, which is from San Antonio Spurs. And then Clint Capella for block shots and to balance my field goal percentage because Damian Lillard and Dylan Brooks will destroy my field goal percentage and even Gary Trent. But but then we're not focusing on field goal percentage, guys. We're focusing on 3 points, free throw percentage, points. Uh, that's it. We're just balanced on the other aspect of our games. So that's how you build. Check out my team. Actually, JaVale McGee. I don't know. I just like JaVale McGee. He's my. I always watch the Shaq the Fool. He's the MVP like 3 times. So shout out to my boy JaVale McGee. Keep going, go Dallas. But I'm a Lakers fan. So yep, let's go. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. By the way, let me hear about Lauren's team. Okay, can you tell us about your team, Lawrence? Hello, you there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I chose LeBron James and tried to build around him, and he's pretty good in his field goal is pretty good. Um, Points, uh, rebounds, and assists. So I tried to build around that. And what was my first pick? Second pick. So second pick, I went for Bam because he has a good points and rebounds, and yeah, his field goals is pretty good. And also, I also tried to get centers first or bigs first because by the end there's not going to be that much good bigs. So second pick was Bam, and then third pick was DeAndre Ayton because his field goal is 62%. Um, Points was 1,200, rebounds. Yeah, so just pretty good that. And then I noticed that their free throw is also pretty good, 76%, around that 77%. So I also tried to go for free throws. And then what was my
Yep.
fourth pick? Fourth pick was Pascal, another big. Um, yeah, it's a lot of good stats. Good points, good amount of points, rebounds, and then also assists. So I started going for that too, and then I drafted Desmond Bain. Um, Free throw was 88% and points was like 1,500, so I had to get him. Um, Josh Giddey was next. At this point, around 6, I wanted to get young players. I just wanted to get young players because their I think their projection might be higher. That's my goal. So
Okay.
round 6 and round 7, I got RJ, and then no, I got Josh Giddey and then RJ, two young players. that I think will do pretty well. And then round 8, I noticed that there wasn't that much people focusing on steals. So of course I got Grand Theft Alvarado. Jose Alvarado
Yeah,
from
let's
New
go.
Orleans Pelicans. Um, yeah, high in steals. Um, yeah, so I focused on that, and I think by just picking him, I think first in steals for the rest of the drafting. So yeah,
Yeah.
round 9, I got Kelvin Johnson. Yeah, good free throws, good amount of points, rebounds, and assists. Um, and then next, Alfred Sengun, another center, has a good field goal, free throw, points and rebounds. Um, Next, I got Cole Anthony. Yep, good free throws, good amount of points and rebounds. And then Jayshawn Tate, which is, yeah, at this point, I noticed that I needed the people that can the people that can assist, and because I was close um on the board, so I got people that can assist. So Jason Tate and Alex Caruso. Yep,
Okay.
that's pretty much it.
Okay. Thank you very much. So that's it, guys. So if you like our video, please like and subscribe again. We'll do more of this mock draft, and then if season start, we're gonna give you advice which one to pick and which one to pick from the free agent or which one to drop. So yep. So like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.
See ya.
See you.